Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Nandita Iyer and along with some of India's most loved chefs, we are showing you new recipes for every school day. Today we are going to be making pasta in carrot sauce. It's healthy, delicious and quick to make. So come on, let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So we'll start by heating up some olive oil in a pan. And I have some finely chopped garlic here. Don't wait for the oil to be too hot, just add it to the oil immediately. I'm going to add carrot puree. So this we have made by pressure cooking carrots and then pureeing it in the blender. Carrot is an excellent source of vitamin A, good for vision, skin, so it's great for our kids. To this I'm going to add some dried oregano. And now I'm going to add some tomato ketchup. It adds that really bright tomato flavor which is essential for pasta. I'm going to season this with a pinch of salt. And now to this we are going to add our cooked whole wheat pasta. We can thin this down with a couple of spoons of water and then just let it all come together. What's pasta without some fresh basil? So we're going to add some finely chopped fresh basil to this. And as you can see, our dish has come together. So let's pack this in the tiffin box. I'm garnishing this with some grated cheese and some more fresh basil. I'm adding some dried figs and some fresh pineapple. I hope you liked this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network and I'll be back soon to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.